Welcome, my dear students, to our Khatirhat High School virtual classroom. Students, how are you? Our continuous session about various types of lessons. Every day our teachers teach their subject by YouTube, and my subject is English. Every Saturday I teach about this. My continuous discussion about English grammar and other information based on text. So students, now I am asking you a question about information. Do you know information? What is information? Every day we share our information to others and from others to us. So we share our information by our language system. So what is information? Actually, mans are sharing their ideas to others, their hopes, feelings, and their future plan and other business purposes we share to others. Students, when we write on written form, can you tell me what do we call it? Actually, this is called a letter. Can you tell me the definition of a letter? What is letter? A letter is a written message. Is a written message from one person to another. Why do we write letters? We write letters to our friends and relatives for to know about them, for sending and receiving information. We write letters to different institutions, organizations, for seeking a specific information, for admission, and also for jobs. Students, now I am discussing how many types of letter are there in information system. In information system there are two types of letters: personal or informal letters, formal letters or official letters. Can you tell me what is personal letter or formal letters? Actually, an informal letter is written to our friends, relatives, etc. Purpose of to thank them, to apologize them, to invite them, to make an arrangement, or to request or to reply to another letter. Okay, my dear students, now I am discussing the formal letter. Formal letter, why do we use formal letter? Can anybody tell me what is formal letter? Man writes to office or any other business about formal language. Actually, a formal letter is a letter that is written in the formal language with a specific format for a business or official purposes. This is a letter written for professional communication. This is also sometimes called a business letter. A formal letter can be a letter of inquiry, a letter of request, or a letter of complaint. A formal letter is sent to a teacher, principal, or to an office. So, students, now I am telling you about the different parts of a personal letter. Parts of the letter. Parts of the letter, that is personal letter. Number 1, heading. Number 2, greeting or salutation. Salutation. Body. Complimentary closing. And that signature. This is finally. Students, in your personal letter there are 5 parts: heading, greeting or salutation, body, complimentary closing, signature. Heading, this includes the recipient's address and the date. In some cases, it's okay to just write the date. Greeting or salutation, the act or an instance of welcoming, that is dear. The body, the main text of your letter. Complimentary closing, the closing includes a short capitalized expression such as sincerely or love. Signature, name and signature. Students, below is a sample of personal letter. Look at it carefully to identify different parts and way they are presented in a letter. Instruction. Suppose you have been ill for a few days, therefore you missed some classes. Now you write a letter to your friend telling him to provide information and materials you missed during the time. This is the letter. That is heading. In heading number 4 2014, MD Azhar Ali, care of Amjad Hussain, flat number F3, Narala Housing. Greeting, salutation, dear friend, body, hope you are well. I am also fine. You know that I have been seriously ill for last 2 weeks. I missed a lot of things done in the classes. Our examination is near, so I am worried about it. Again, body, I request you to inform me that what important things have been taught in the classes. Please write in details about English, mathematics and science. Body, I am looking forward to receiving your reply. I hope that you will help me to make up the imitation. End of the body. Now the complimentary closing. Your friend Minhaj Ali is a signature. Students, now I am telling about the formal letters. We write a formal letter to request for something or asking for something or getting some information. Different parts of a formal letter. There are date, address, salutation, introduction, body, closing and signature. Date is put at the top of the page for any business communication. It is an official record of correspondence that may be kept for future reference. Address, the address of the person receiving the correspondence includes formal name, street address, city, state and postal code. Salutation, that is the formal way of addressing a person. Common salutations are dear or dear Mr. Hassan or dear sir or madam, etc. Introduction, the first few sentences of a letter are introductory in nature. The introductory section introduces the subject of the letter. Body, the body of the letter shares most of the information. It also contains some supporting ideas. Closing, the closing of the letter summarizes what the letter was about. Signature, it contains the writer's name, address, etc. Students, now I shall give you a task for you, page number 200. There is a instruction. Suppose there is a computer training institute in your locality. You have noticed the advertisement of admission also into a basic course. You want to attend the course. Now write a letter to the coordinator requesting him to send you an admission form. Okay, my dear students, you will fill up the form for the next classes. You will show me by the help of WhatsApp or YouTube channel. So much for the day. Thank you for your cooperation. I hope you will stay at your home